When we want to find the answer to question like what is the population of India? What is the urban population? What is the literacy rate or what is the unemployment rate in India? The most accessible source for us nowadays is the internet. But have you ever thought of the agencies responsible for collecting such data? Stay tuned to find the answer. There are some agencies both at the national and state level to collect, present and tabulate statistical data. Today we are focusing on two such agencies at the national level, Census of India and National Sample Survey Organization NSSO. By the end of today's video, you will be able to learn and answer many questions related to these two agencies. So please watch the video till the very end. My tutorials are specially created for you. So if you find it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content on topics related to your syllabus. The Census of India provides the most complete and continuous demographic record of population. The census collects information on various aspects of population such as the size, density, sex ratio, literacy, migration, rural-urban distribution, etc. The data collected is published by the Registrar General of India in the report Census of India. The census is being regularly conducted every 10 years since 1881. It is conducted under the provisions of the Census Act 1948. The first census after independence was held in 1951. The most recent Census of India was performed in 2011. It was the 15th census in an unbroken series and the 7th after independence in 1947. National Sample Survey Organization (NSSO) was set up in 1950 on the recommendation of National Income Committee chaired by late Professor P.C. Mahalanavis. It is an organization in the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation of the Government of India. NSSO conducts regular nationwide sample surveys on socio-economic issues and provides estimates of literacy, school enrollment, employment, unemployment, manufacturing and service sector enterprises, maternity, childcare, utilization of public distribution system, etc. Now let us look at key differences between Census of India and NSSO. The census is conducted once every 10 years. The NSSO, on the other hand, is a continuous survey organization that conducts various sample surveys throughout the year. The census provides a comprehensive and detailed picture of the population and its characteristics at that point in time. The NSSO conducts surveys regularly, covering different topics at different intervals, depending on the specific requirement and priorities of the government. The census aims to cover the entire population of the country. The NSSO conducts surveys on a sample basis, where a representative sample of the household is selected to provide an estimate of indicators for the entire population. The census is a massive exercise that involves collecting data through house-to-house enumeration. On the other hand, NSSO follows a sample survey methodology. The census focuses on collecting demographic data and provides a broad overview of the population. It serves as a benchmark for various social and developmental indicators. The NSSO surveys are conducted to understand the prevailing economic and social conditions in the country. It serves as input for policy making and planning. The NSSO operates under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, while the census is conducted under the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, both of which are part of Government of India. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Until we meet next time, take care and happy learning.